So what credit score do we use? We get this question a lot. What credit score do we use when helping people qualify for any kind of mortgage lending for home purchase or home refinance? So here's a few things. First of all, we use a mortgage model tri-merge credit report. So what we pool is not going to be the same as what you can pool as a consumer, or what your car dealership pools or your credit company pools. We use a mortgage model credit report. So that's the big thing, because our scores may come in differently than what you think they are because we use a different model. We use the middle score. So there's the 3 credit bureaus, is Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And what we do is we drop your high score and we drop your low score, and the middle score is what's used. Now, if there's 2 borrowers, we take the 3 scores of both borrowers, we drop the low and the high of both, then we look at both of their middles and we use the lower score. So some people are very discouraged that, like, why can't we use the spouse's score? And the reason is because when we're lending in mortgage in this area, I mean, we're lending an average of like $300,000. We have to be conservative. We want to know that we're taking the most conservative approach with mortgage lending. And if we lend off of a 650 versus a 750, and we've done our qualifying that way, then we know we've done the most conservative lending. That's how we do that. I get this question sometimes, and this kind of goes back of what I was saying, but why don't we average the score? Like, why don't we take the 3 scores and just average them together, divide by 3, and then that's the score? Because that could actually be higher than the middle. And this is why not all creditors report to all 3 bureaus. So some collection agencies, for certain, only report to 1 and sometimes 2 bureaus. I mean, some report to all 3, but some might only report to 1. So you could have a range of scores. And if you have 3 collections that only got reported to TransUnion, that would most likely be your lowest score. And then your Experian, they might not have reported those collections to that bureau, so that would be your highest score. And then your middle, they may have reported or not, or it could be a mix of like all kinds of different accounts reporting to different bureaus. So the best way that we can come up with to lend, again, conservatively, because we want to know that you're going to pay your mortgage, so we're going to be conservative with lending, like on average $300,000, is we drop that low score, drop that high score, and use that middle score. So hopefully that helped. One other question I get sometimes, and I'll cover this in another video, is some people want to use their spouse's credit but their income. And we can't do that. If we use any income on a mortgage, we have to use that credit, because some people might make better income but have worse credit. So we can't do that. If we use income, we have to use credit. And if it's the lowest score, then we have to use that for qualifying. There you have it. And have a great weekend. Happy Friday. And I'll see you soon.